Thank you very much, Tracy, for that. Yes, I'm looking forward to coming down to Te Kuiti and joining you folks down there. So well done. Well, that brings us to the end of our education workshop tonight. I'd like to thank you all for joining us. I hope you will be able to put into practice some of the information that you received tonight. I hope that you have a clearer picture on the construction of an evaluation, or at least what the evaluation is all about. Thank you to our presenters, Melvin Powell, Talia Powell, Elizabeth Verlieren, our evaluator, Timara Matangi, to, of course, our Division P Director, Tracy Bovett, who is hosting this event, to Elizabeth Carter, who organized this event, and our Zoom Master, Troy, for very effectively managing everything in the background for us. And like I said earlier, this event was organized by our Division P Director and Isabel was hosting this. And before we close, I'd like to wish Toastmasters International once again a very, very happy 100th birthday. I know as I speak, we have clubs all around the world celebrating today in their meetings, or even holding special events to celebrate Toastmasters' birthday. I know that because in my own chat group, they're sending me messages of what they're up to. So everyone is celebrating and wishing Toastmasters another 100 years of learning and upskilling and helping everyone make a difference in their lives. And I know we are at least 6 minutes shy. Is there, Elizabeth, you got your hand up?
Yes, may I now quickly share what I wanted to share earlier?
Sure.
See if I can share the screen. Yes. So I just want to show you when this was promoted on LinkedIn. Look at the comments.
Can't read, it's too small. Can you make it a bit bigger?
If I can make it bigger.
We had a famous person comment on it who we may have watched this evening.
Okay.
So in the promotion, Alexander Matei was tagged, and then he commented on it. So I would like all of you to go to LinkedIn, to the Toastmasters New Zealand North District 112 page, and then just thank him for this wonderful speech that we shared.
Fantastic. Excellent. All right, thank you for sharing that, Elizabeth. Of course, this event would not have happened without you, our audience. Thank you again for being here. Enjoy the rest of your evening. I know I will. I've got Coronation Street coming up shortly. I watch it diligently every 3 times a week. It's been a pleasure being your host tonight. And again, happy birthday, Toastmasters International. And good evening, everyone. I now close the session.